Good day, traders. My name is Darius from Darius and Stibo FX, and I'm back with a new YouTube video for you. Today, I got 3 pairs for you guys. I'm going to start with the DXY because, as you all know, I'm using DXY for the correlation. Then I'm going to cover up gold and Euro USD. Yeah, gold, you all know, we will give you regular updates, and I will also use Euro USD because I'm analyzing DXY, and also you can see that Euro USD and gold, these 2 pairs are also correlated because of the dollar. So let's get started with the DXY, and guys, actually like expected, DXY dropped down from this H4 demand zone down, and this is actually my first target for the short, and afterwards we can expect some correctional move in my eyes, but we will see. This is simply just a support level, but I'm just using it as a target, okay, and not as a trading decision, because if we have a look on the DXY from a daily perspective, we can see, yes, guys, that DXY have made here this corrective pattern, then broke out, again corrective pattern. So this is a continuation of the down movement, and I expect the DXY to drop down even more. If we get a look on the weekly time frame, actually I'm expecting DXY to drop down to this area over here, to the 90, because also here we got a very important weekly demand zone, and yeah, this kind of support levels that we got over here do not care much. I don't care much about these support levels. These are not very strong levels. Yeah, so for me, definitely price will go down to this weekly demand area, and this is what I'm expecting, and we will see how price will develop, if it will maintain this downtrend structure. But as usual, I will give updates also on the DXY pair. Okay guys, so now let's go to the interesting thing, to gold. Well, like I said, from a DXY perspective, we see short, therefore gold, in my point of view, should go up. And you got additional confirmation from a fundamental based analysis, because you know, this whole corona stuff right now, this is very tricky right now, and a lot of people are anxious right now, so they're investing their money in gold. And also because the dollar is going to drop, gold will gain more and more power. And this is what you actually see also from a chart perspective. You see that we are still in this H4 uptrend channel here, guys. And if you did follow the last analysis, where I've expected a nice long on gold, yes guys, cheers for that. Gold again went like we've said, so it definitely respect our zones. And yeah, I also mentioned the last analysis, this one was actually only on TradingView, where I mentioned that you should be very reactive on gold, because you could simply broke through this demand area, retest this bullish trend line over here, and then we're going to see some correctional move to the downside before we will see this move to the upside. But actually gold respected like expected and went up, and again we're at the H4 supply zone, and things are going to be interesting right now. But now let me remove this whole arrows here, because we don't need it, and I will show you at what I'm currently looking at on gold. So well guys, as you can see, this H4 supply zone is still valid over here. This demand area is still valid over here, because actually you can use this area over here. This is the new demand area, guys, and the range is now not that big than the last one, but actually we can expect the price is going to make one last push to the downside. This is one probability before we will finally shoot to the upside, but for me this is not the most probability setup. in fact, for me, I'm expecting actually that gold is going to break this supply zone and that we're going to continue with the move to the upside. This is what I'm expecting right now on gold, but we will see, guys. We will see. We need to just simply to follow price action confirmation. So do not just enter it now in this trade because I've said I'm expecting this to happen. You should definitely not do this. You should simply wait for this break of this resistance, then for a nice retest of the supply zone, and then you can take longs. But also keep in mind that we could easily push to the downside before we will see this move to the upside. So this will be the second scenario on gold, and this is also an possible one, okay? And yeah, like I said, gold has this kind of triangle pattern over here, and yeah, I'm waiting actually to break out, and you can see that this is a continuation pattern. So price went from here to the upside and is now forming this correctional pattern, and it should definitely break out to the upside in my eyes. So I will show you this pattern here again. This is the typically behavior of this pattern is like this, because if the price came from the downside to the upside and it is then ranging in this corrective pattern, then price will break out here to the upside. Okay, so this is how this pattern actually works, and this is why I'm expecting it that gold will continue with this bull run. And this is for me then the question: should I even short gold now that I found so many confirmations for that gold is going to go up? No. Okay, for me definitely no. If we will get here a nice price action call, okay, I will completely understand if you're going to take a short, but be aware, guys, because the structure over here, this demand zone, looks kind of strange for me. So therefore, I cannot tell you if this drop will be big. Okay, so maybe we will go just a little bit down and then we will continue with the upside movement. This is why I'm actually now looking for this break, and then I'm going to take long on gold. But yes, you need to simply follow your trading plan. This is the key, and that you are defining in your trading plan your risk to reward, your entries and stuff like this. And if you guys need help with that, we provide in our premium group these things for you. Okay, we got a complete course of our supply demand technique, of the way how we analyze our charts, because we do multiple time frame analysis in combination with supply demand. We use trend analysis, we use structure analysis, as you can see from this video analysis that I'm sharing here for free on YouTube and on TradingView. But the problem is with most traders is that they don't have a trading plan, and this is also where we are going to help you. And also, if you're a member of the premium, we are going to be your mentors, okay? And you can ask us every questions you want. Okay, just a quick information here, by the way, because we are talking right now about trading plans. And now let's switch to the EURUSD chart. Yes, guys, on EURUSD, this was a chart that I actually posted today on TradingView, but they had some problems with uploading this. And yeah, now I'm going to make this full breakdown video here on YouTube. And yes, guys, I'm going to share with you my monthly perspective here, my long-term view on EURUSD, and it is long, guys. Why? Because we are currently here pushing from a monthly demand, guys, and this monthly demand has this resistance as target for me, and I'm actually expecting to hit this target on EURUSD. It is also confirmed in my eyes from a price action view. And now this is why I'm now switching to the weekly. On the weekly, we got this liquidity spike here, this resistance, which is now interesting for us. And if we look on the daily, you can also see the price is right now forming this daily demand area. And also if you look on the H4, we got this H4 demand zone. And I'm actually expecting price to make a correctional move here to this demand area before we're going to see a big move to the upside Also, I can see that EURUSD is in this trend channel, so it looks kind of similar like gold right now, and this is why I wanted to include EURUSD in this video analysis with gold, because these two pairs are simply correlated, guys. It's like the DXY, they are correlated. And now actually I will not take much care about this daily demand over here, because it is not the movement are not completed, and if we're going to push down, then this daily demand is for me not a high probability demand area, so it will not fit my rules for drawing my demand areas. But this H4 supply zone is definitely a great one, and I'm definitely expect some correctional move here to the downside. As you can see from a trend line perspective in this, we may push now down, and this demand is an additional confirmation, and this is a point where I will take an entry for long, and the target will be 1.15, sorry. Okay, this is actually my view on EURUSD. So let's make a quick summary on DXY. I'm expecting to hit this support level and actually to continue to the downside on the DXY. Then on gold, you should be a little bit reactive, and I'm expecting this continuation pattern to come true. As you can see right now, again, gold is going to be bullish. Let's see how this H4 candle will close. But I'm expecting the break of the supply zone, retest, and continuation to the upside. And on EURUSD, actually, I'm expecting the price will go down here, but of course, price could go a little bit more to the upside before this movement to the downside will even come true, and maybe we will never reach this demand zone. Is also a possibility. But yes, guys, this was my full breakdown on DXY, gold, and EURUSD. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section down below, and I'm going to answer it as soon as possible. And guys, thanks for this huge support on YouTube. We got so many followers right now and a lot of likes and comments. I really like this. I really enjoy this. And yeah, guys, we will be back with new regular updates on gold, of course, and on some other currency pairs. And of course, we will make some educational posts, video posts as well, guys. So if you want to join premium because you say you have struggles with your trading, then me and Stibo, we are here. This is why we are offering this premium member group, in order to help people, because I see a lot of bullshit out there on this trading business, where a lot of people are trying to sell you only signals and stuff like this. Well, guys, signals are okay. It is good for starting trading in order to see how trading actually works and so, and to get the overflow from other people. But the problem is, if you do not understand the trading plan behind it and the strategy, then these signals are nothing for you, okay? And this is why we're offering this premium member group, where we are sharing also our trades, but a lot of educational stuff. You get our PDF course step by step explained, and a lot of video analysis like this, but where we explain our rules detailed, okay, guys? So if you want to join, just hit the link in the comment section down below. And if you have any questions to one of our products, just hit me up on Telegram or Stibo. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. We will see you next time with a new video. Bye bye.